How to dispute a parking ticket in New York City using the city website. If you receive a parking ticket in New York City and want to dispute it, go to the Department of Finance's official dispute page on newyork.gov, where you can request hearing online within 30 days of issue to avoid late penalties. Just enter your violation number, license plate, and your personal details and upload any evidence like photos or receipt to support a not guilty case. You'll receive a confirmation email, and a judge decision is usually emailed within about 10 business days. If you preferred mobile, you can also use the official NYC Pay or Dispute app, or submit your case by mail or in person at DOF Business Center. Just be sure to include your ticket information and evidence and submit early to meet the deadline. So that's it.